Well, everybody, here is Uncle Bart for Uncle Bart's College Cuisine from the Home, located at Calvert Manor. I have a cameraman today. Her name is Mandy. Mandy?
Madison.
Madison. And I'm going to make a salad. I got some lettuce from dinner, a nice fresh pomodoro, and we cut it into slices like this. Now, sorry, I have no editing, so you're going to have to watch the whole bloody thing. Put in the pomodoro. Cut up the other side. There we go. Un poco de sal, which we have right here. That's one of the nice things about living in the hospital. They give you pre-measured salt. Well, how much is in there, I have no idea. And a pepper. Yeah, I was going to call you Maddie. I put Mandy by mistake. All right, there's the seasoning. That's all a good Italian ever needs. A little bit of olive oil. And a wee bit of red wine vinegar. There we go. You stir it up with a fork. That's an homage. In fact, they're showing a movie here today, Forrest Gump. A fork. Run, Forrest, run. And there we have a nice salad from Uncle Bart's College Cuisine from the Home, located at Calvert Manor. Saying eat more and enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.